Hi, today I will be showing you how you can get 12 GB RAM and fair amount of GPUs for free. And this will be Linux based, so you can do whatever you want and you can use it for your work. So let's start it. First, head over to this website cloud.vocon-it.com. Now you need to authenticate yourself, so create your account. I will be creating with Google, so I will get 8 GB RAM. You can create it with GitHub for getting 12 GB RAM. Now scroll down and find this Ubuntu root terminal and create session. It may take 40 seconds because this cloud server based in Europe, and if you are located nearby Europe, so you might not face delay. After opening this cloud server is showing its plan, but we are good enough in free version. We are not going to use its premium version, which is $3 a day. Now close this all and head over to the terminal. Here you can run all Linux command and you will find all system files on everything is here. And run free-h, it will show each and everything about storage and how much it used and how much is available to use. By running LSCPU, you will find each and everything about this device. It is 64-bit and it is based on Intel chip. This is not only thing you will find it here. You will find much application which works smoothly. You may find some delay because it's server based in Europe. As I say, you can open YouTube and play videos and do your work, whatever is your work. And here you can see after closing every app, we have 8 GB RAM, and now it is using 5 to 6%, which is less because we didn't open anything. So this is all for this video. In upcoming videos, I will be showing you how you can run Kali Linux and Ubuntu and many applications. And I will be showing you how you can save your data here. So you might close this and shut it down, and you might come on next day and your data will be saved. Then you can work well, and things will be fine at the time if your data is saved. And if you liked it, so do subscribe and like. Till then, stay tuned and stay focused.